my new rifle case. Really nice. Very nice finish, although these locks aren't really working that well. They don't really lock, so maybe I could ask a locksmith to really create real locks, replace these. Sturdy handle. Very nice finish. The aluminum parts are really slick, also the chrome parts. Let's take a peek inside. There are 4 locks. What's inside? It's my baby. It's my M4 CQBR. And as you can see, since it's a carbine, there's a lot of room. Enough space for my EOTech replica and my aimpoint replica on an L mount, plus 2 magazines. These are thermal type polymer magazines. Polymer magazine. So now my baby has a cradle. Very nice cradle. I've been looking for a gun case that's this slick for quite some time. I'm not a fan of gun bags, but perhaps I'll also get a gun bag soon. But as for a permanent home for a really good M4 replica, this is a perfect buy for me. I hope you enjoyed, and let's close it now. Hope you enjoyed looking at that one. It's kind of hard to close it with one hand. And there it is. Bye bye.